Hi friends, today I want to show you my new magnetic calendar. Is this one. We're gonna open it right now. This is an excellent product if you need to organize your day, your week. If you have so much things to do in your day, this one is so efficient to help you with that. So look this. Have all the days of the weekend with different colors. Comes with this plastic surface for protecting. And this is the magnet in the acrylic calendar. So you can put it in any metallic surface this way. And came with this board too for take your notes or message for your family or your children's or husband in your hands. So this one we're gonna put it right here and ready. As you can see, it's so easy to install. And the best part is that came with these markers in these different colors. Look at the green, orange, blue, white, red, and purple. So let's go try it. We're gonna use the color of the day in the Saturday. It's red, so we're gonna put here like dinner with friends. In Monday, red with this color, like meeting at 10 a.m. And easy as you can see, you can use it all the days of the week. You can change every week to remember things to do. And you can use this to let notes or message for your roomies. Like, remember, make the laundry. So as you can see, the colors are perfect. The organizer is so useful. And if you don't want to put it in a metallic surface or if you don't have one, the magnetic calendar came with this stickers. So you can put it in this part of the magnet and you can install your calendar in any surface. So as you can see, so easy to install, so easy to use, and it's an excellent product to help you to organize your week. So I highly recommend it. See you.